Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Aneta Pharmaceuticals. These walk-in are conducted at 4th August 2024 Sunday and time is 9 am to 1 pm. Scan for location. Location is survey number 1008/3 and 1008/4, Commode, Preranapith Road opposite Ashwamarg Industrial Park, Ahmedabad. Openings at Aneta Pharmaceuticals Private Limited for following position at OSD formulation facility. Department is Quality Assurance Contract Manufacturing Site and designation is Senior Officer, Executive, Senior Executive and Assistant Manager, and qualification is Mpharm, Bpharm, Bsc, Msc graduates apply to this position, and experience is 3 to 8 years of experience, and number of vacancies 19, and section skills is IPQA activities and qualification and validation and QMS change and preparation of CQA, SOPs, training, development and vendor management, conducting internal audits, and experience in a formulation exports related oral solids, oral liquid and sterile formulation and external preparation products. Interested candidates should walk in interview with a copy of latest resume and CTC breakup and recent photo, and immediate joining and local candidate will be preferred. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. These are the details regarding walk-in interview. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. Bye. See you in the next video.